only purpose of these 5 rules is to decrease the immigration in the United Kingdom. These rules will be implemented by the next spring, by the March 2024. The higher salary rule is not going to apply if you are going to apply in the healthcare sector. So this is very strict rule for the families who are living in the United Kingdom and they want to bring or they want to marry their children back in home countries. Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Faraz Ahmad. So this is very important video. Either you are a doctor, you are a nurse, you are a healthcare worker, whatever your position is, if you are interested in coming to United Kingdom in the future, so this video is very important. So recently on the 4th of December 2023, the Home Secretary James Cleverly has announced 5 changes in the rules of the visa of the United Kingdom. So let me tell you the story. As per the James, what happened in 2023, almost 120,000 dependents came in the United Kingdom. Like 1,20,000 dependents came into United Kingdom with 1 lakh, with 100,000 care workers. And what happened, like out of those 120,000 dependents, only 25% are working. So as per the James, the rest of the people, almost 1 lakh dependents, they are burden on this country. They are burden on the healthcare system. They are burden on the system of this country. So they are thinking to reduce the immigration. So they have already made this plan, like by the next year, they are going to decrease the immigration of the 3 lakh people, 300,000 people in 1 year. So what does it mean? So they have implemented 5 rules. So I am going to tell you about those rules one by one. One thing more I would like to mention before discussing these 5 points: these are not proposals, these are not recommendations, these are the rules, and these rules will be implemented by the next spring, by the March 2024. So the first rule is regarding the health and care visa. So as per the Home Secretary, this is the visa, health and care visa is the visa which foreigners are using abusively. What does it mean? As I told you previously, for 100,000 health and care workers, 120,000 dependents came over here, and out of those 120,000 dependents of the health and care workers, only 25% are working in the United Kingdom. And one thing more, previously what was happening, everyone was issuing the visas of the care home. Every care home was issuing the visas for the foreigners to come in the United Kingdom, and when people were coming over here for the work, there were no jobs available in the care home. So a lot of people were facing difficulties and they were searching jobs away from the care home because there were no job available in the care home. Now what they are going to do is they have put the ban, like now health and care workers will not be able to bring the dependents include wife and the children less than 16 or 18 year old. Now health and care worker will not be able to bring the dependents in the United Kingdom. And now no care home will be able to give you visa. All the care home will be registered to the Care Quality Commission, and Care Quality Commission will issue the visa on the behalf of the care home. So now if some care home are giving the visas and they don't have the job, so this is not the case in the future. Only those care home will be able to give visa through the Quality Care Commission if they have jobs available over here. So the next rule is regarding the skilled worker visa, and this rule is regarding the basic salary, the minimum salary of the skilled worker in the United Kingdom. So as per this rule, if any of the employer is offering you the salary less than 38,700 per year, then definitely you can get the job, but Home Office is not going to give you the visa if your salary is less than 38,700. Previously this salary threshold was 26,200, and now they have increased this salary threshold up to 50%, and the new salary threshold to land in the United Kingdom on the skilled worker visa is 38,700. But the good thing is skilled worker includes a lot of workers either in the healthcare system or other system of the United Kingdom, or like the industrial system or any other system. But if you are a skilled worker in the healthcare system, you are a doctor, you are a nurse, you are a care home worker, so if your salary is less than 38,700, definitely this rule is not going to apply on you. The higher salary rule is not going to apply if you are going to apply in the healthcare sector. So the third rule is regarding the list of shortage occupation. Shortage occupation mean there are few profession in the United Kingdom. They don't have enough people in those profession, like doctor and the nurses include in the shortage occupation list. So what they are going to do, they are going to reduce the number of shortage occupation in the list. So what will happen after reducing the number of the shortage occupation list? So what is happening in the past, like people from the different countries away from the United Kingdom, like from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and rest of the world are applying on the shortage occupation list professions, and they are hiring people on minimum wages from these countries, and people are ready to work on the minimum wages in the United Kingdom. But now they will remove the profession from this occupation list, shortage occupation list. So what will happen, this will indirectly reduce the number of the immigrants to the United Kingdom. So the fourth change is regarding the family visa or the spouse visa. So what was happening in the past, like if someone is living in the United Kingdom, they are resident of the United Kingdom and they want to marry someone else in some other country, like some Pakistani family is living in the United Kingdom and they want to marry a girl in the Pakistan for their son. So what was the need, like the minimum salary for their son was 18,600. Like if someone was earning 18,600 a year, they can bring anyone from the foreign countries as their spouse. But now what they have changed, like to bring your spouse from some other country to United Kingdom, your minimum salary should be the salary of the skilled worker, that is 38,700 Great Britain pound. So this is very strict rule for the families who are living in the United Kingdom and they want to bring or they want to marry their children back in home countries. So this is a very strict rule for them. So what is gonna happen, as I told you previously, these rules are going to be implemented from the March 2024. So if you want to marry some girl for your son, or if you want to marry some boy for your girl, so what you have to do it before March 2024. You must be aware that recently they have tightened the rules for the students. The students who are going to come in the United Kingdom on the bachelor or on the master degrees, they are not allowed to bring the dependents from the next intake in 2024. So now what they have done, they have handed over this task to MAC, Migration Advisory Committee, and they have to look into this matter, and definitely they are going to tighten these rules further. They had strict the rules recently for the students who are going to come in the United Kingdom on the bachelor and the masters. They are not able to bring the dependents with them, but definitely this MAC, this committee, will also tighten the rules further, and they are going to implement these rules. And what they want the immigration in the United Kingdom to be on the minimum level. So a sub rule of this fifth rule is regarding the IHS. IHS is health surcharge in the United Kingdom. Like if you are coming on the student's visa, you are not entitled, you are not eligible to get the services from the NHS free of cost. You have to pay the IHS, you have to pay the health surcharge. Previously it was £624 and now they have increased it almost double, £1,035. So you have to pay £1,035 health surcharge if you are coming in the United Kingdom, and this will be applicable from the next year as well. So these are the 5 rules, guys, and only purpose of these 5 rules is to decrease the immigration in the United Kingdom. They want to decrease the number of the immigrants coming from the different countries of the world to the United Kingdom, because big number of the immigrant has migrated in the United Kingdom in the recent years, and they are creating a lot of problems as per the government on the health system, on the system of the government, on the law and order situation in this country. So this is the reason they want to decrease the number of the immigrants in this country. So the best option is, if you are planning to come in the United Kingdom, please keep planning. Definitely you should plan and you should work on your plan as well, but please keep in mind, don't put United Kingdom as your only one plan. If you want to go out of your country, you should have at least 2-3 countries in your plan, and if you want to UK, it should be in your plan as well. So if you want to come in the United Kingdom, you should have some other plans like Australia, Canada, or some Gulf countries as well. So if you have any question regarding these 5 rules, you can ask me in the comment box. You can directly message me on the Instagram as well. Thank you very much for watching the video.